This dance is called Sky of Love. 32 count, 4 walls. There's no tap and no restart for this dance. Let me show you section 1. Starting with your right foot, do a diagonal lock step. Forward, lock, forward, scarf. Do a jazz walk, quarter turn to your left. Cross, back, quarter, forward. Section 1 again. Diagonal, lock, forward, scarf, cross, back, quarter, forward. Section 1 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, do a forward mambo with your leg. Rock, recover, back, back, recover, forward. Section 2 again. Rock, forward, rock, recover, back. Hold 1 count. Do the same to your right. Rock back, recover, forward, hold 1 count. Section 2 with a count. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Section 3, do a whip to your right. In front, side, behind, point. Forward, point, forward, point. Section 3, do a whip to your right. In front, side, behind, point. Forward, point, forward, point. Section 3 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last section. Make a pivot half turn to your left, stepping your right forward. Step right forward, pivot half turn to the left. Walk, big step forward, step left next to right. And do a sway, right, left, right, left. Weight is on your left. Now you start. Wall 2, facing 3 o'clock, step, lock, step, scarf. Let me show you the last section again. After you have finished your step point, right, step forward, half turn, forward, together, sway right, left, left. So with a count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me show you the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,